Hello, ladies. Hello, gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy. We're chilling here in Dumbo. Gorgeous Dumbo, Brooklyn. Done with the worky work. And it's time to scoot on home. That's right. Oh, shit. The fuck? Here we go. We are cruising. I'm so worked up today. I had such a long ass fucking work day. I'm so over it. Long day. Long exhausting day. Alright. That's bizarre. Is that bike stolen or something? Why is that happening? What are we doing here? What's this? What are we doing here? Shit, definitely stolen. Alright. Why am I so disheveled today? Fucking hell. Alright, next. Can I please start the fucking vlog? I actually had a topic and everything. I feel like I was just trying to be cool in front of the whole neighborhood. I don't fucking know. Let's start again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. As I'm here in Dumbo, it's chilly, it's 50 degrees. It feels like some 40 something, 44. It's not so bad. Long day. But the topic that I actually wanted to cover today was there has been all these announcements of the new Ducati motorcycle bikes from this Milan International Motorcycle Show, the EICMA, whatever the funk they call that shite. And there was a whole slew of Ducatis, right? And by slew I mean couple of things. The first one was the Monster, right? The first big announcement, to me at least, that's when the shit hit the fan, was the Monster, the V2. And then the next big one was obviously the Hyper, right? And then after the Hyper, there's the Panigales. Then we also got the Desert X V2, and so we got the Street Fighters, we got the Panigales, and all that shit. So long story short, basically it seems like every single bike from Ducati now has this V2, right? There's no more Desmo, there's no more single-sided swing arms for anybody. Obviously there's no more trellis for many years now, as we've discussed that already. And what do I think about it? It's obvious what they're doing. I mean, now they're under the Audi group, right? Volkswagen group, and they're just trying to make the bikes more reliable, cheaper to maintain, better quality, but in the process they're killing a bit of individuality and the freak show that Ducati always has been. It's becoming a little safe. I don't want to say boring, because it's not boring, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with having 28,000 miles between services, you know what I mean? If anything, that's exciting. But no more Desmo is a little sad. It is a little bit sad. bit sad. I don't mind overall. I like how they look. I don't mind the single-sided swing arm. I actually kind of like the whole MotoGP influence in those builds. I mean, that's a cop right in front of us, by the way. It's a whole other topic. That's why I'm kind of staying behind him. I could pass him like 7 different ways, 7 different times, but in the interest of the vlog and more time to talk, we're gonna talk. I mean, I think it's kind of cool that every bike now has not only cruise control, but also freaking, look at this shit. This is a freaking joke. All right. Every bike has cruise control and freaking, even freaking, the most ridiculous thing. Oh, I gotta slow down here. Jesus Christ. I gotta slow down because over here is where I got a speeding ticket the other day. The slide by brake is hilarious. You know, like now, like the hypers can control the slide. Another cute thing is also there's a few good things. I should have picked a longer ride for this topic because obviously I have failed. I have failed in conveying the message. So we're gonna have to try again later, okay? This is the most discombobulated vlog ever. Discombobulated.